I'm going to finish this lined sleeve. I somehow turned the machine off, the phone off, when I tried to turn it to show you. Here's my seam. You see it goes all the way around these two sleeves. There they are, connected, coming through the hole in the hem of the jacket. So I'm just going to pull them through here. Pull that sleeve back out so you can see it. I'm having trouble finding where it belongs. Here it goes. Through the hole and back up. Out the sleeve. Pull the sleeve out. It's kind of like a puzzle to figure out where it comes out. And here you see the edge. After I finish talking to you, I'll go and press it. There's the front of the coat. How cute is this? And the sleeve. And after I press it, I'll have this terrific little rolled sleeve for the beach coat. Love it. Try it. Rain or shine variations, Tabula Rasa jacket.